Hello, welcome to my trading channel. In this video I'll be showing you the most effective breakout strategy that you can use both in trading binary options and forex trading. So we'll be using three indicators. We'll be using Bollinger Band, we'll be using trend line, and also we'll be using MACD. So before we begin, please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and also give this video a thumbs up. Let's go. So first of all, we'll be changing the chart. Change the chart type to candles. Then we'll change the candle time to 5 minutes. So then you go to indicators, type Bollinger Band. You change the period to 20. Then you apply. Then you go to indicators again. Type MACD. You just leave it at this default setting. Then you apply. You zoom out. And you zoom in. So I'm going to be showing you how this strategy works. This strategy is we are going to be using 5-minute candles. We use 15 minutes time to trade this strategy. So how this strategy works is, anytime you see a movement like this, from the top down like this, you go to your graphical tools. You click on trend lines. You draw a line from the top like this down to this candle. Now I'll explain what happened here. Normally you are supposed to draw the line touching this second candle here, downward like this. But why you don't need to do that, why you should not do that in this kind of situation, is because you see these candles, they are so close to this lower Bollinger Band. As these candles they are so close to the lower Bollinger Band, then you wait for a bearish candle to close just above, a little bit away from the lower Bollinger Band. Then you draw a trend line there. You see, this is showing you that the bearish trend is very strong. So you wait for a breakout, a weakness to show. Then you draw your trend line there. At the break of the trend line, then you buy. You change your time to 15 minutes, then you buy. Then you wait for this to break above again. Then you go there, draw your trend line from the bottom here, the open of the candle, touching this candle here. Then you wait for a break before selling. No break. Then you see a break here, you sell. Change your time to 15 minutes, you sell, see you are in the money. Then you wait for a break at the lower Bollinger Band here, touching this candle. But now you see that this candle is so close to the lower Bollinger Band. So you wait for a weakness, then you draw your trend line. After the break of the weakness, you buy. Then you wait for a break. Again, you wait for these bullish candles to break up. Then the retracement. After breaking up, then you draw a trend line. After breaking up like this, you draw a trend line like this, touching this candle. Then at the break like this, you sell. But now, the reason why you should not sell in this situation is because you see, when you zoom out, you see that this situation, you are in a sideways movement. And as I always say in my videos, that anytime you see a sideways movement like this, you avoid the trade. You wait for a trend to happen again. Before buying or selling a trade. So anytime you see a sideways movement like that, just wait. So when you see a break like this below, you draw a trend line again. Then at the break, you buy. See, change your time to 15 minutes and you are in the money. So this is how the strategy works. It's a very, very, very profitable strategy. One thing you need to know about this strategy is when you are using, especially those using IQ option platform, when you want to trade with 15 minutes time, when you want to use 15 minutes time, Euro USD, the time is not always the time is so complicated, it's so confusing, especially for beginners. The time is very confusing. Anytime you want to trade this strategy, so this is the asset that you'll be using to trade this strategy. Automatically, when this time ends, the next 15 minutes is going to come. But in this Euro USD, when the time finished, it's going to start from 20 minutes or so. So you avoid using Euro USD for this kind of strategy. You go to the asset. When you want to trade this strategy, you go to the asset, you go down, you use only assets that has from 5 minutes plus upward, 15 minutes time upward. Those are the assets that you are going to use for this strategy. So when you want to trade this strategy in IQ option platform, you don't use Euro USD, you use this currency or any other currencies inside this category. So anytime you want to trade this strategy, avoid trading in a sideways movement like this. Don't trade in a sideways movement like this, and also to wait for the market to move before trading. And also don't use currencies. Don't use all these currencies. Use currencies from this time range. Use currencies that has only 15 minutes setting, because it's going to be confusing for you, especially if you are a new trader. You won't know how to follow the strategy. So this is how to trade this strategy. Make sure you always use currencies that the time starts from 15 minutes, that has 15 minutes timing, so that it will be easy for you to understand. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.